18th straight podium for Creamline in the PBL. Can you talk about lang din yung journey ng Creamline? Medyo different siya compared to the other seasons but still nasa podium pa rin yung Creamline.
Siyempre, sobrang different nga, sabi mo nga. Siyempre, sa finals na ganyan doon. Pero happy kami kasi nag-end yung on-tour ng podium nga. Hopefully makabawi kami sa invitational. So, dun kami magpo-focus para makabawi.
Thank you, Coach. And for MG, best player of the game with 21 points in straight sets. Siguro paano mo lang in-approach tong game na to knowing na knockout game nga siya against Signal for that bronze medal finish?
Last game for this weekend. Not even.
Last weekend, yeah.
Wala, syempre, bibigay na lang talaga lahat. Last game ito for our season. This is the bronze medal match. So, talagang bigay na talaga lahat. And support lang. Kanina naman, hindi ko iniisip talaga yung wala na talaga kami hinahabol kundi just to finish with a win. I think we just really wanted to finish today with on a high note, na panalo kami, na masaya kami, na good vibes kami. So, yun lang talaga yung focus kanina para naman enjoy kami today sa birthday ni Ella.
Thank you. And for Alyssa, 12 points in this game. Nung group stage, na-sweep kayo ng Signal, but this time kayo naman yung nakasweep sa Signal for this bronze finish. How different was this game lang? How different was Creamline in this game compared to that preliminary game?
Well, looking back, I think we had so many lapses during that game. And thankfully, very specific yung mga instructions ni Coach from then on hanggang ngayon. Kaya siguro ganda din ng mga improvements and ganda din ng mga ginagalaw ng bawat isa towards the latter part of this on-tour. And yun, more than ever, I think, syempre may konting giggle din kami para makabawi. So magkakasama na yun lahat. So, kaya siguro nakakuha rin kami ng panalo. But yes, for this on-tour.
Thank you. The floor is open for questions.
Coach, mula nga po nung natalo sa semis against PLDT, parang dun sa maikling gap between yun and ngayon, paano na lang yung naging siguro message mo sa team or how did you prepare them kumbaga na it's not a finals game, it's a bronze medal game? Ano na lang yung pinanghawakan nyo to the finish?
Katulad ng sinabi ko nga sa team namin, medyo mabilis yung time para makabawi kami dun sa loss namin sa semifinals kasi invitational agad. So, yun yung talagang nahabol din namin ngayon na makapasok kami sa final sa invitational. So, yun yung target namin, makabawi sa invitational.
Pababalan niyo na.
Yes.
For Adelaide and MG, for both of you na lang na, kumbaga it's been a different kind of campaign for Creamline. Pero how would you reflect na lang on the things that could have been, the things that you could have done better, yung mga, if there are regrets, if any, parang what will Creamline take away from this rare, I guess, bronze finish na lang throughout this preseason?
Siguro lesson lang talaga sa amin that every season is different. We can't really rely on kung sino kami our past season or kung sino kami our last game. Every game is different, kaya kailangan sa practice pa lang everyday, hinihingi sa amin ni Coach 100%. So, kailangan maging consistent talaga kami and hindi talaga namin pwede baliwalain yung small things kasi errors talaga namin yung kumakain sa amin sa game and yung tumatalo sa amin. But, to look at the bright side, sabi nga kanina na di nga namin alam na 18 straight podium finish ng Creamline to. And at the end of the day, we're still consistent. And at the end of the day, it also has never been done. So to be consistent is also one of the hardest things to do.
Yes.
I think madali manalo, madali mag-champion, but to do it over and over again is also the hardest thing. So, andun pa din, hindi pa rin nawawala. Like, one season na hindi nag-champion is not the end for us. We just really have to do better, and we will.
To add to that lang, I think this bronze medal match doesn't define the Creamline Cool Smashers as a team. I think exactly MD's point. It's the 18 consecutive and consistently being there since siguro. So at this point, I think one thing we're gonna take is that our hard work, the coaches' hard work, everybody, our management, we're all there helping each other to reach our goal every single time. we fell short this time, but well, definitely. We're gonna be very competitive and push each other to be better pa rin talaga in the coming conferences. Diba, Sir Ricky? Yeah, but yun, we're just very, very glad. Every game now, at this point, every game is important. Everything for us is worth celebrating, and we're just happy we're celebrating it together as a team and as a family.
Your thoughts on roller coaster set 2?
Oh, roller coaster.
Oo, ngayon na ulit kami nanalo ng ganun, coach.
Talaga?
Hindi lamang tayo, ganun sila.
Are you from behind?
Yeah,
24-20.
24-21 again.
24-21.
Oh.
Again and again.
Oh, honestly, those are the times na talagang, alam mo in the zone lahat When you look at each other in the eye, andun yung fire na parang, we're just gonna get points. And I think that's one thing na we'll take it also in this game, na parang andun pa rin yung fire ng bawat isa to actually win, not just the game, but every point in this tournament. So hopefully madala namin yan sa invitationals, and that feeling is always gonna be very, very precious kasi minsan lang binibigay sa amin yan. So we'll take that as a privilege to get that pressure talaga, most especially those crucial times.
Sarap, coach yun.
Si Coach yun, sabi ang double sub ni Coach.
Ay.
Oo.
Tatlong good serve ni Ate Rhea.
Yes.
So,
Ate Rhea and our rookies,
Glory.
grabe, hands down also. And parang hindi
Mitch.
sila rookies, and sa Ate Rhea parang hindi nagpahinga ng 1 year din. So, thank you to our teammates din na tumulong. Ang dami namin sinabi, sorry, boo.
Coach, thoughts?
Ikaw nga, Coach. Thoughts, Carlos?
Ano lang, syempre, yun nga, 1 point at a time, hindi pa naman tapos, 25, so yung breaks nandun sa amin, then yung effort talaga nandun. Yun lang naman yung hinahanap namin palagi.
Adele, nabanggit mo na nga yung rookies, yung ginagawa nila. This conference has been all about yung players na wala. And we all know kung ano naman yung kayang gawin ng players na wala. Pero this conference, nakita natin yung capability ng rookies, si Mitch Gamit, Sheena Toring, Lea Torres na rin, Glory. So, overall, ano magiging assessment mo dun sa...
Si Coach, baka si Coach, kasi as a coach.
Coach lang, yeah.
Si Coach.
Sige, Coach.
Kami happy kami as team, as a teammate. Si Coach, di ko assessment ni Coach.
Sige.
Syempre, happy kami kasi number one talagang makipagsabayan sila sa mga senior, then sumusunod sa sistema namin. Number 2 siguro, yung talaga competitive nila kasi mga champion player din sila, si Gamit, si Toring. So talagang siguro malaking tulong pa yung maibibigay nila sa amin sa mga susunod pang mga laro.
Coach, yun nga, next invitational. So, paano lang makakatulong tong win na to, bringing momentum into the next conference?
Malaking tulong sa amin to kasi, ayun nga, medyo, I think paganda yung laro ng Creamline. So, hopefully, mag-pick sa invitational and makasabay din sa mga foreign teams na nakasali. So, yun yung target namin talaga. Lalo ako, makabawi kami sa invitational, maka-4